I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to make an image transparent in Canva. Adjusting the transparency of an image in Canva is a fantastic way to enhance your designs, whether you're creating overlays, blending images, or adding subtle watermarks. Making an image transparent allows you to layer elements seamlessly, create depth, and bring a personal touch to your projects. This technique is especially useful for social media graphics, presentations, and marketing materials where you want your visuals to stand out. So if you're ready to take your Canva skills to the next level and make your designs truly pop, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Open the image in Canva that contains an element that you want to make transparent and then click that element. In this example, I'll click this large red square because I want to make it transparent. When I click that element, a menu bar pops up on the screen. Step 2. Click the transparency icon in this menu bar. The transparency icon features a bunch of dots in the shape of a square. A transparency slider is displayed beneath that icon. Step 3. Click to grab the circle on the slider and then move it from right to left to increase the transparency of your element. As the number goes further down from 100, the element will become more transparent. When you get the transparency set where you want it, click off of that element. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.